In this edition of Update Bowling Green, we'll discuss the need for community volunteers. Following the devastating damage and loss of life during the December 11th tornadoes, the City of Bowling Green is looking for long-term volunteers who can commit to working a few hours a week in the Disaster Recovery Center. We are looking for social service-minded people who have experience helping people who have lived through a traumatic event. Retired guidance counselors, police officers, firefighters, emergency medical providers, and others who have prior experience helping people through trauma are desperately needed at the center to provide intake services and other tasks. It's easy to sign up through the We Are BG Strong website. Go to the Volunteers tab and click on that. It will take you to a page where you can volunteer either for intake, or if you simply want to work in sorting donated items, you can do that as well. We desperately need volunteers who will stay with us during the next few months, even if it's just for 3 hours once a week. While much of the debris may be gone, your friends and neighbors will have many needs in the coming months, and your city needs as many volunteers as we can get to help provide the necessary services to our residents who have lost so much during the storms. You're watching Update Bowling Green.